Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm working on a 2013 GMC Sierra. I'm working on the door latch cable here. So the customer had an issue with opening the door from the inside. He can only open from the outside but not the inside. So if he wants to open the door, he has to roll down the window and reach his hand outside to open it. Let me show you. When I opened up the door panel, I found out the inside cable was broken. It was missing the ball right here, so that's why he couldn't open the door from the inside. Now the new one I have here, you can see the little ball right here that's hooked onto the door handle. This is the new one. So let me show you how to get the door latch cable out. You don't have to remove the connector. You got to remove the 10mm right here, the regulator bracket right here. You're going to remove it so that way you have room to move this bracket to get access to it. But to make it easier for you, you can. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna shove a flathead in here and pry this lock up, and that way you can pull this red tab up all the way, and then that way you can slide the connector back. Before you remove the door lock, it has 3 bolts holding onto it. You're gonna use a pick. You're gonna shove it in here, pick out this lock, and here picked on the inside, so that way you can pop it out. Now this part connect to the little pin on the outer handle, and for this part, the inside, you're gonna use a needle nose. You're gonna clamp this tube hook right here. You're gonna clamp this tube hook, clamp it in, pull it back, and then you can unhook it from here. Now this little one, this one right here goes on to this one, which is the inside locked, and the door cylinder, let me show you. The door cylinder has a snap ring that's holding on to it. Now let me show you from the outside angle. So the door cylinder goes into here, and in this groove right here, this little groove right here, it has a little pin that locks onto it, so you gotta unsnap it. And then for the door handle, it has 2 bolts holding onto it, one right here and then one right here. So this hook slide into here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push the handle forward to get it out. The part number, this is the aftermarket one, so this is the part number, and the original one, I can show you. This is the part number. I think that should be the one. So this is the original one from GM. Now for the door handle, the 2-hole, you can get access to it through here and right here. To get the connector back in, all you gotta do is just the reverse steps, just push it in and press the lock down, and you're gonna sneak the door lock actuator in through this way. So that's why you have to remove this bracket, the bottom bolt, so that way you have room to sneak it in. This, press on the top, sneak it in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but there you go. And make sure the hook right here where the handle is hooks onto the door frame. So now I got everything back on. You can see the bolt that's holding onto the handle, and then here's another one. I got my 3 Torx bolt tightened down. Before you put everything back, check everything. So this is the inside door handle, so I'm gonna pull it. You're gonna see the lock is moving, and then you're gonna check for the outside door handle. You're gonna pull it, make sure everything works properly, and then for the key, you're gonna also check for the key too. So locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. Now for the door panel, you're gonna put this white cover in first, and all you see the white clips right there, the little one, it's all gonna hook into this little hole right here. It's gonna snap in, and this little ball right here is gonna hooked into this it's gonna hooked into this part right here. It's gonna go into this hole. Pull the cable down and push the lock into the hole. Now for the top, this part, you're gonna go up and hook it down, and at the same time you're gonna line up this to this hole. Got everything back onto the door. Double check everything again. Make sure you check the lock, unlock, and then check the window. Make sure roll down properly, roll up all the way. And for this cover, if you want to pop it back up, just use a flathead, pop it back up from here, Check the door, inside door handle working. Check the outside, also working. And hook back your 2 bolts right here, the door handle and the last bolt right here. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll keep everybody updated. If you have any comment down below, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But that is it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Peace.